Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use text files in NBA 2K. First, locate your game's installation directory, typically in your Steam or Epic Games folder. Within this directory, you'll find specific folders where the game reads data files. We'll focus on placing your custom text files correctly to ensure the game recognizes your modifications. This method offers a powerful way to personalize your NBA 2K experience beyond standard in-game options, allowing for deep roster and attribute changes. Let's get started. Before placing your text files, it's crucial to prepare them correctly. Open your TXT file with a simple text editor such as Notepad. Verify that the file adheres to the game's expected format, which often involves specific keywords or numerical values on each line. Incorrect formatting can lead to errors or prevent your changes from loading. Double-check for any extra spaces or incorrect characters that might disrupt the game's parsing of the file. Precision is key for successful modding. Once your text files are ready, the next step is to place them in the correct game directory. For many NBA 2K mods, there's a specific mods folder or a similar location where custom files are read. If you're using a modding tool, it might have its own designated folder for these files. After placing them, you may need to run a mod loader or activate the changes through an in-game menu. Always back up your original game files before making any modifications. If your text file modifications aren't working, don't worry. Troubleshooting is a common part of modding. First, re-verify that your files are in the exact correct directory and that their names match any required conventions. Next, meticulously check the file's internal formatting for any errors or typos. Many online communities and forums dedicated to NBA 2K modding offer extensive guides and support. You can often find solutions to common issues there. Also, remember to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.